What's the meaning of antagonism? Antagonism. 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 Antagonism.
Antagonism refers to the state of being actively opposed or hostile towards someone or something. It is a type of conflict that arises from opposing interests, beliefs or preferences. Antagonism can result in different outcomes depending on the situation. In some cases, it can lead to confrontations, violence or even war. On the other hand, it can also lead to healthy competition and a drive for improvement. In personal relationships, antagonism can create tension, misunderstandings and ultimately, a breakdown in communication. Therefore, it is important to manage antagonistic situations with care to avoid negative consequences.